Hey, Alberg here. We're going to do a unboxing today. I ordered something from Midway, and let's see what we got. Hope everybody's doing okay. Today is July 26th. It's a beautiful day in Long Island. Best day of the year. It's not too hot, not too cold. And let's see what we got. Okay, so first off, it looks like we got a couple of these Gerbers. So when I first got them, I didn't like it, but it flicks nicely. Here it is. And it's actually pretty lightweight. So when I go on bike rides, this is the knife I've been bringing. So I bought, they were pretty cheap. I'm going to say they were $8 on Midway. Boy, this is, look at this. Look at this. You believe this fucking thing? These motherfuckers. Look at the quality of this. This is unbelievable. This is from Midway. Okay, so I got an AD-15 light. I got a tie light, a small one, and these motherfuckers. Look at this box. Look what these guys sold me. A small one, and these motherfuckers. Look at this box. Look what these guys sold me. And it's supposed to be okay. So this one, I don't know if you can see what it is. Let's open this one first. They get me so angry. I don't know if I'm going to order from them. It's on clearance. Look at the box is not even sealed. It's not even sealed. There's no plastic thing. Jesus Christ. Oh, it is a nice looking knife. Not sure why I bought this one. Okay, let's see if we could. Okay, so here it is. It's a serrated tie light. So I got that one. I mean, it's really fucking dirty. Fingerprints. These motherfuckers. Unbelievable. This is unacceptable, Midway. This is the shit you sent me. Open box. Taped. I mean, really. You got some nerve. No wonder why it was clearance. Let's see, is that even sharp? Okay, let me clean it off a little bit. Okay, so here we got that one. We got this one. Talks amongst yourself. Oh, I clean it. I like to see if I. So I'll use a paper towel. Got some paper here. I mean, I wanted to resell it possibly. How are you going to resell it with a fucking box like that? Motherfucker, it's like a fucking used knife. I got it for a good price though. So let's see if we can clean it. I mean, it is a nice knife. Feels nice. And there's the thickness. I'll post all the stuff with it. And it says tie light. OS 10A, Taiwan. Okay, let's see. I've never done a serrated with a piece of paper. Let's see how it does. It's not, not great. You know, again, I don't know how a serrated blade is supposed to cut, but there you go. It is very sharp. Look at this box. I can't get over this. Okay. Up next, what do we got here? Okay, let's do the 4-inch tie light. At least it's sealed. Is it sealed? They gave me a sealed box. Hooray. Let's open this one. Where to start? What does it say? It says 4-inch blade, West 10A, 3.7 ounces, 3mm stick. I'll post a picture of it if this doesn't come out. So it's a very stabby look. I don't know, maybe that's a scary looking knife. Okay. Okay, did it even come in a fucking piece of plastic? Oh, motherfuckers. Okay, this is the smaller one. And let's see how we do. It's not bad. I'm not. So these are Chris's, the Chris style. There's a 4-inch one. Let's see if this one cuts any better. Ooh, ooh, like butter. Ooh, very sharp. Little snag there, like butter. So it is. There it is. The tie light, 4 inches. Is it next to my hand? It's not that shiny. Let's see if I could clean it up a little bit wherever the paper towel went. I'll just use this one. Okay, there we go. Blade thickness. It's not a bad point. Okay, so I'm okay with that one. Tie light. Somebody was complaining. Anyway, so Big Brother, and my final knife of today is the AD15 Light. So this is a new opening. What kind of opening does it have? Demco? I don't know. But let's open this sucker. Now, if you saw somebody pulled out a knife like that, you wouldn't fuck with them, would you? I mean, it's really stabby. Not that you would ever want to stab somebody. It's probably the last thing you'd ever want to do. I mean, all the problems that come... I can't get this box open now. All the problems that would come along with that. So it really would be a last... You thought you were going to die. If you thought you were going to die or face brutal injury, it's okay to stab somebody. Okay, so that's not bad. Let's see if we could pop it open. There it goes. I'm always nervous. Oh. So I'm not sure how this works. Okay, here it is, the AD15. It's not bad. Nice thickness. I kind of like this. A little heavier. It's the AD15 Light. Now, how do you close this sucker? Not sure. I don't know. It's not obvious how to close one of these suckers. I really have no idea. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the closing was, I think I pressed this, or I lifted it. What did I do? Oh, this lifts up. There it goes. It's hard to close. So I guess here it is. It opens. And there's a catches right there, so you got to lift it up to close it. Not a great opener. Okay, there it goes. A little dirty. Let's see. Let's cut some paper. Let's see how it does. Oh, you know, I like it. Feels nice. There's a little difference. So it's the It's really that. Let's see. It's in there pretty good. Here we go. Take a taste. Ooh, that was smooth like butter. Ooh. I get snug up a little bit. I like it. Ooh, that's really smooth, like butter. So that's the AD15. Here's what it looks like. Its thickness, I'll show you some stats, but it's not on. Oh, here it is. That's going to come out. So let's see. Let's clean this baby off. It's not a bad blade. I like this one. I got a good deal at Midway. This was on clearance. I don't know if you could get this anymore. If they make that. So here's the comparisons. You know, in certain states these are all illegal, so the legality is in question. Can I sell these? I'll try. Maybe. Will I carry them? I don't know. Probably not. So that's all I have. If you have a comment on which one you like the best, let me know in the comments. And other than that, have a great day. Al Berg, signing off. See you next time. Take care.